Piyusha. I am from Chennai. I started meditating from when I was in my mother's home. Whenever my mother used to meditate, I too like to meditate. So I sat in meditation. One day my mother said me that Anapanasati ma'am is taking the class, so I joined it. When I did meditation, it was so peaceful for me. I was so energetic that day. So I loved those classes. I joined many classes of Anapanasati ma'am. In school too, we used to do meditation. So every day I used to be active, energetic, and I love to do meditation. But in this corona, I am not doing meditation. Why I don't know. But the interest was not there. I was not doing meditation. Why I don't know. But I wanted the school again. When the school comes, again I used to do meditation. Now I am going to share some of the experiences when I got while doing meditation in Anapanasati ma'am's class. One day when I was doing meditation, Patriji was with me. Patriji also was doing meditation. Behind Patriji and me, there was a big rainbow. It said hi to me. Then the next day, I met the gods and Lord Ganesha too. Lord Ganesha gave me sweets to eat with him. I felt very happy. I played with Lord Ganesha for some time, then I came back. The next day, I was going in a flight, but where I am going, I don't know. Patriji also was with me. I love reading books and I read so many storybooks. I read Tenali Raman, Akbar Birbal, and Saptarishi, Paul's storybook about Rama, Abhimanyu. Still more are there. I thank Patriji for giving us this meditation and Anapanasati ma'am for giving this opportunity to join her class, and she taught us many things. And even the meditation. Thank you, Anita ma'am. And every teacher.